how to accept the gifts on Steam. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to accept the gifts on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, you're going to go and open Steam, and then you'll be redirected to this page. So now once you're here, you're going to go to the top right section on your name. So you're going to click here, and then you'll be given this drop down right here. You're going to click on inventory, and once you're here, the gift which has been sent to you is going to pop up here. There you go. Then you're going to have two options, accept it or decline. So once you click accept, your gift is going to be accepted and the game will be added to your library. And then to see whether you have accepted the gift, you can just click on this drop down and you can click on view gift history. So here, once you click, you're going to see that you've accepted the gift, and that's how you accept your gift. So that's basically how you can accept the gifts on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.